Hello viewers, welcome back to the daily Nifty and Bank Nifty post-market technical analysis show. So today Nifty and Bank Nifty both opened gap up. So Bank Nifty opened gap up, went up and tested a resistance. In the previous analysis session, I have mentioned that 41,600 is a resistance for Bank Nifty, and that worked out. Bank Nifty tested 41,600 level. It went slightly, tried to go up, but then eventually it closed much lower. So looking at the intraday movement in Bank Nifty, so this is much more evident. So after the gap up opening, Bank Nifty tried to go above 41,600, and then it fell and tested the 41,600 level multiple times, and then it fell after the multiple tests and falling down. It never actually recovered. So at the same time, there is still some support playing out, which is why we didn't see a very large fall, because the support played out towards the end of the day. Bank Nifty nearly ended like a spinning top. So looking at the daily level in Bank Nifty, so even though this candle shows us a doji, the average closing price gives us a spinning top. So we have a spinning top with a larger top wick and a shorter bottom wick. So which means the resistance is playing out stronger than the support here, and the trend which started from here, the trend rose very steeply, and now we have a pause in the trend. So all this points to a possibility of reversal in the next session. So that will happen if the next session eventually closes at least below this the current low or the opening of the previous candle. It should ideally close somewhere here. If we have a kind of red candle closing into this green candle on Wednesday, then we have a confirmation of the reversal in Bank Nifty. On the other hand, if Wednesday happens to close above the body of this uh, Bank Nifty candle or above the spinning top, ideally above the top of this spinning top, but that is not really necessary. Even if we have a close above the opening of this spinning top body, we can probably say that the bulls are still in control, and we may have a rally continuing. So the next session will be interesting and important for the further direction of Bank Nifty. And coming to Nifty, so Nifty also opened gap up and it tried to go above. So earlier in the previous analysis, I mentioned that for Nifty also 17,700 is a resistance, but Nifty easily broke the 17,700 resistance and it went up to 17,800. But I have mentioned that 17,800 is a possibility because of the Fibonacci retracement pointing to that. I will draw that again and show you the one which I drew in the earlier analysis session. So as you can see, Nifty closed at this 38% level almost here in the previous session, and today it opened slightly lower than the 50% level. 50% level is anyway not very significant, so Nifty went up and tested this 62% level where it faced resistance, and Nifty fell down. It didn't fall very sharply, but it did close lower. So what all this shows us is that at higher levels there is resistance pushing the price down. So again, just like in Bank Nifty, here in Nifty also we have a sharp rebound, and now we have a pause in the trend. So if the next candle, that is on the Wednesday candle, gives us a close below this candle, or ideally the close should be in somewhere into the body of this candle, which means the close should be less than 17,600. If Wednesday falls below 17,600, this level, and if it closes lower, then we have a confirmation of reversal in Nifty. On the other hand, if Wednesday session somehow manages to close above this body, or even better if it closes above the top of this candle, which confirms with 17,800. So if it closes above 17,800, we have a continuation of the rally. So depending on how the Wednesday session turns out, we will have further direction in Nifty. So as of now, Nifty is showing a pause in the uptrend. So this is and also one more thing to notice, we have Fibonacci retracement level here, and this 17,800 was a long term support come resistance level, and we have a rejection wick from this level. So when the price action is showing that a resistance is playing out from a key resistance level, it is not a very good idea to go long or buy at this point. So you should wait and see what the next session is. If the next session is, it is okay to take a short position at this point because the reward versus risk is convenient. On the other hand, if you can wait for the Wednesday session to complete, you will have even better picture. If Wednesday session closes lower than this candle, or even better if it closes below 17,600, it is a very good case for going short in Nifty. Or if Wednesday session closes above this candle or above 17,800, it's a very good case for building up more long positions. So with that, I conclude the analysis, and let me write down the conclusions. So Nifty and BankNifty are showing pause in the uptrend, and we have these support and resistance levels. So ideally, you better, if you're short Nifty above 17,700 level, so that you have a very good risk versus reward scenario. Similar case is for Bank Nifty, and only if either 41,600 or 17,800 sustained, it's a good idea to go long. So that is the analysis, folks, for Wednesday, that is 8th March session. I hope everyone will have another good day of trading, manage your positions and risk well. And please consider this as an educational video. This is not an investment advice. And if you do like the analysis in this video, please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.